Knowing your audience is essential for effective marketing. Here are some points to consider.
Demographic. Understanding the basic demographic information of your target audience, such as age, gender, income, education, and location, is important in creating relevant marketing messages. Psychographics. Understanding the psychological aspects of your target audience, such as values, beliefs, and lifestyle habits, can help you create messages that will resonate with them. Behavior. Understanding the behavior of your target audience, such as their buying habits, media consumption, and online behavior, can help you create a more effective marketing strategy. Communication. Understanding the preferred communication channels of your target audience, such as email, social media, or direct mail, can help you communicate your message effectively. Pain points. Understanding the pain points of your target audience can help you create solutions to their problems and position your product or service as a solution. Feedback. Gathering feedback from your target audience can help you improve your marketing strategy and better serve their needs. Buying cycle. Understanding where your target audience is in their buying cycle can help you tailor your marketing messages to their needs. Competitors. Understanding your target audience's perceptions of your competitors can help you differentiate your product or service and create messaging that resonates with them. Data analysis. Analyzing data on your target audience's behavior, preferences, and actions can help you make data-driven decisions about your marketing strategy and improve your ROI. Adaptability. Understanding that your target audience's needs and preferences may change over time can help you stay adaptable and responsive to their evolving needs. In conclusion, understanding your target audience is crucial in creating effective marketing messages that resonate with them and ultimately drive sales.
After knowing your audience, then you need to speak in their language. Speaking in your audience language in marketing refers to tailoring your message to the specific needs, interests, and preferences of your target audience in a way that resonates with them. Know your audience to speak their language. You need to understand who your audience is, what they care about, and what motivates them. Use the same vocabulary, tone, and style as your audience to connect with them and make your message more relatable. Focus on benefits. Highlight how your product or service can solve their problems or meet their needs, and emphasize the benefits that matter most to them. Provide social proof. Use customer testimonials or case studies to show how your product has helped others like them, and demonstrate that you understand their challenges and goals. Use visuals, use images and videos that resonate with your audience, and help them visualize the benefit of your product or service. Personalize your message. Use data and insights to personalize your message based on your audience's past behavior, preferences, and interests. Appeal to emotions. Emotions play a powerful role in decision-making. So use language that evokes positive emotions like happiness, excitement, or relief. Use social media effectively. Social media can be a great way to speak your audience's language by using the platforms they frequent and engaging with them in a way that feels natural and authentic. Test and iterate. It's important to regularly test and optimize your messaging to ensure that it resonates with your audience. Use data and feedback to make adjustments as needed and continually improve your approach. Be authentic above all. Authenticity is key to speaking your audience's language effectively. Be true to your brand and values, and show that you genuinely care about your audience's needs and interests. Offer a solution. Make sure your messaging emphasizes how your product or service can solve a problem or meet a need for your audience, rather than just promoting features or benefits in a vacuum. Use local language and references. If your audience is located in a specific geographic region, using local language and references can help make your messages relatable and culturally relevant. Be inclusive. Use inclusive language and messaging that shows respect for diversity and avoids stereotyping or excluding any particular group. Be transparent. Be upfront and honest with your audience about what your product or service can and can't do, and be transparent about any potential limitations or risks. Speaking your audience's language helps build trust and credibility and makes it more likely that they will engage with your brand and take action. By using what I have said before, you can more effectively speak your audience's language in marketing and build deeper connections with them over time.